welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So as you have read by the title, today's video is a get to know me tag. So basically I had decided that I'll do this video once we hit 5k, and now that we have hit 5k, I'm finally filming this video. So I did post on my Instagram and YouTube asking you guys to send in your questions if there is anything specific that you want to know about me. So yeah, I have got few questions from you guys, and also I have written few basic questions down about myself. So basically we have 45 to 50 questions that I'll be answering. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, I have written down almost 50 questions, so I'll quickly start fat, and if there is any question that I have to elaborate, obviously I will, so don't worry about it. Okay, so let's get started. What is your full name? My full name is Rutuja Sachin Jagtap. What does it mean? It means seasons. What is your birth date? I was born on the 24th of February 2000. What is your sun sign? My sun sign is Pisces. I am a Piscean. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How tall are you? Now this is a tricky question. Actually, I am between 5'1" or 5'2". I really don't know, because every time I go and measure my height, it shows something else. So I think I'm in between 5'1" or 5'2", or I am 5'2". I really don't know. I'm very short. You don't have to say that. Okay, where are you from? I am from Mumbai. I am born and brought up in Mumbai, and Mumbai is my jaan. How many siblings do you have? I have one sibling. I have one younger brother. What is your qualification? So I recently got graduated. I completed my BA and now I am pursuing my MBA. Do you have any tattoos? Yes, I have one tattoo. I'll post a picture over here. It is on my leg. It is a phoenix bird and it means flying from negativity to positivity. Basically phoenix bird ashes से rise होता है. So if you are a Harry Potter fan, you know that. I'm not a Harry Potter fan, बस मेरा concept यही था ये tattoo को बनाने के लिए. So yeah, it means rising from negativity to positivity. That's why I got it done. And yeah, I got it done when I was 16 years old in Goa. Yeah, I'm crazy, I know. But I don't regret making that, because it really has a very good meaning and it really inspires me when I'm feeling low. So I really don't regret making a phoenix bird. Do you have any piercings? Yes, I do. I have one over here. I had one over here but it got closed and I'm planning to do it again. So basically now I have 4 piercings. I want to get 2 more done, so वो मेरे list में है अभी. What is the meaning of your channel's name? My channel's name is Rutuja Creates. If I had to elaborate the thought process that I had behind keeping this name, so basically word creates comes from the word creative. So I think I'm a very creative person, and this is something I really love about myself, that I'm very creative. मुझे सब कुछ aesthetic लगता है. I cannot do simple things. So yeah, I think I'm a very creative person. I like adding my touch to everything. And one more thought behind the name is that I want to be a content creator. So उसमें भी creator आता है. So ये सब का मिला के creator का मिला के I just came to a conclusion where I said that okay, it is going to be Rutuja Creates. So that means I'm going to create content. I'm going to use my creative quality, and yeah, बस यही thought process था वो creates के पीछे. So that is my channel's name. What is the one quality you love about yourself? So the one quality apart from being creative I love about myself is being honest. Yeah, honesty. Honesty is the quality I love about myself. I'm a very honest person. So yeah, I love that about myself. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? I am an extreme extrovert. I am an extreme extrovert, you guys. So yeah, आपको तो पता ही चल गया होगा. Like the way I talk to camera, I talk to people as well. So I am an extreme extrovert. But on that irony, मेरे सारे best friends introvert हैं. So obviously they have to jealify me because I am an extreme extrovert. I think वो कभी-कभी मेरे से bored भी हो जाते because I talk a lot. Okay. One quality you don't like about yourself. One quality that I don't like about myself is I'm very lazy and I procrastinate a lot. So that is something that I want to change about myself. So yeah, that is the quality I don't like about myself. I think I need to work more harder and I need to get things done on time. I cannot keep on procrastinating every time. मेरा कैसा होता है? So if I have 7 days to complete one assignment, I'll complete it on the D-day. मतलब basically अगर मेरे को कल submit करना है, I'll do it today, one day before. So I don't like that about myself. But actually I completed, but that's not the point. I just want कि मैं टाइम पे फटाफट 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 कंप्लीट करके कर दूँ, बट नो, आई कीप ऑन प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग टिल द एंड ऑफ द टाइम आई डू दैट. सो दैट इज समथिंग रियली दैट आई वांट टू वर्क ऑन, बट आई विल वर्क ऑन दैट इन द फ्यूचर. Do you have any phobias? No, I don't have any phobias. What is your biggest fear? Okay, so my biggest fear is I don't want to lose a loved one. This is something that haunts me. Even if I think about it, even if I think about losing someone very precious in my life, I can't. I'll just pass out. So yeah, that is my biggest fear. I can't lose a loved one. Favorite color? So my constant favorite color is black, obviously. But apart from that, मेरा current favorite color is beige and red. So yeah, वो बाकी change होता रहता है. But black is something that has been constant. So I would say black. 3 destinations on your bucket travel list. I want to visit Greece. I want to visit Finland. I want to see New York. Yeah, even Paris. But ये 3 जगह, it's like I am dying to see them. So yeah. And if I had to say in India, मुझे वाराणसी visit करना है, and गंगा की आरती is something I have on my bucket list since a very long time. So I want to do that hopefully in 2021. Let's see. I'm just putting it out in the universe. Are you a beach baby or a mountain baby? I am a Piscean. I am a beach baby. I love to swim. Ocean is something that calms me down. Ocean is something that adds fire to my soul. So yeah, I am a beach baby. I had mentioned this in my previous vlog also, that if anything is happening in my life, you will find me sitting on a beach and enjoying the sunset. And luckily मेरे घर के बाजू में ही बीच है. So you will find me over there only. बहुत बड़ा explanation हो गया ये, but you got it. Favorite series? I love Friends. I love Friends. मेरा 20th birthday का theme भी Friends था. I'll post a picture over here. I love Friends. And apart from that, I'm currently watching Vampire Diaries and मुझे वो भी पसंद आ रहा है. But the universal is Friends. I love watching Friends. I can watch it zillion times. Do you believe in law of attraction? Yes, I strongly believe in law of attraction. I think my entire life is based on manifestation. So yeah, I am a big believer in law of attraction, and I manifest everything that I want in my future life. So yeah, I'm a big believer of law of attraction. One random unique fact about you. Okay, I thought this was a very unique fact about me until I met few people in my life. Okay, so guys, I don't eat chocolate. I don't eat chocolate. I don't want to use the word hate, but I don't like chocolate. मैंने बचपन से कभी चॉकलेट खाया नहीं है. And I just thought I was the only one person जिसको चॉकलेट पसंद है, and I used to say it very proudly. But मुझे पता चला कि मेरे फैमिली में मेरी दादी एंड मेरी बड़ी बुआ, उनको भी चॉकलेट पसंद है. I was like, okay, मेरा यूनिकनेस छीन लिया ये लोग ने. But yeah, I don't like chocolates. I think that is the unique fact about me. Favorite food item? I love dosa. Dosa is like my go-to. I love dosa. My friend is a South Indian and he always tells me कि मेरे घर पे भी इतना डोसा नहीं बनता जितना तेरे घर पे बनता है. So I think yeah, I love dosa. Dosa is my go-to food item. Who is your inspiration? My inspiration is actually there are 2 people. One is my mom and the other one is my dad. They have worked their ass off to give us the life that we are living right now. So touch wood. And I'm really so proud of them that अगर मैं थोड़ा 1% भी उनके जैसा हो जाऊँ ना, I feel very blessed. So yeah, I'm very grateful to have both of them in my life, and they are my inspiration. They are just so amazing. The values that they have imparted in me and my brother is something that I'll cherish my entire life, and yeah, they inspire me in every way possible. So obviously they are my inspiration. What is your nickname? So my nickname is Jaggu. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you know that because मेरे Starbucks के कप के ऊपर भी Jaggu लिखा हुआ आता है. So Jaggu is like the name I really love. And मेरा पूरा स्कूल मुझे Jaggu बुलाता था. So the name Jaggu is very close to my heart, and I love being called that. So yeah, you can call me Jaggu from the next time. Before you ask me उसका meaning क्या है, so basically I keep the story for a different day, okay? Not I'll keep on talking और ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. What freaks you out? Guys, मैं मोनिका हूँ friends की.
I'm Monica. I wash the toilet 17 times a day, even if people are on it.
Oh my god, I'm a cleaning freak. So what freaks me out, if I see something that is unclean, that freaks me out and I go mad. मेरे को बहुत गंदा वाला OCD है cleaning से, so that is something that freaks me out. I don't want to elaborate it because again it will freak me out अगर मैं elaborate करते बैठ गई तो. So yeah, favorite YouTubers. So I'll mention Indian YouTubers because I want to promote them obviously. So one is Malvika, the other one is Mridul, Mansi, and that quirky miss, that is Aditi. I love them. I love watching their channel. Dogs or cats? Dogs. I love dogs. Cats और मेरा कोई संबंध नहीं है. My cousin sister had 14 cats. When she used to live in Jammu and अभी भी she loves cats. So उसके घर पे भी cats है. But I don't like cats. I love dogs. I love dogs. Dogs are like my कुछ. Coffee or tea? Guys, coffee for life. Coffee for life. I love coffee. I'm a big coffee lover. Sorry for the drama, but yeah, I'm a coffee lover. मुझे coffee बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Not that I'm going to die without it, but yeah, I need 1 cup of coffee just to stay stable. Joking. What is your coffee order? Oh, so in Starbucks, I love to order caramel frappuccino. That is my go-to. I like Starbucks का cold coffee also, but my go-to order is caramel frappuccino. Favorite fashion style? I love street style. Street style is my favorite. Yeah. Favorite sports? I love sports because मेरा पूरा खानदान sports से obsessed है, and even my friends. So I love playing badminton. I love swimming. I love playing carom, and I love watching cricket because my dad is a cricketer. So yeah, I love watching cricket, and बाकी सब I like playing. Favorite subject? So my favorite subject in school was history and geography, and in college it was psychology. Top 3 favorite people: mom, dad, and my brother, obviously. One negative quality you have overcome. I was very short-tempered, I would say, because मुझे बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आता था. So that is something that I have overcome, and I'm really proud about it. अभी मुझे बहुत टाइम लगता है गुस्सा आने को, but I think I'm still working on it somewhere. But yeah, I think मैंने उसको बहुत अच्छे से overcome किया है. So I think I'm no more a short-tempered person. I'm a very cool, chilled out person. What is your favorite soft drink? Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Excuse me? Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
I don't know why I do this, okay? Okay, we'll take that again. What is your favorite soft drink? My favorite soft drink is Coca-Cola. Coke, actually, not Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola sounds so... Coke. Which is your favorite restaurant? It has to be Courtyard. अगर आप Western line में हो, you know, I don't want to give out the address, but yeah, it is Courtyard. And one is Butter Chicken Factory. ये मेरे current favorites हैं. अभी और भी रह गए, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. How many languages you can speak? I can speak Marathi because that's my mother tongue. English because अंग्रेजी आती है मुझे. Hindi, and I think I can speak French also. Je m'appelle Rutuja Jagtap, and comment ça va? That means how are you? Yeah, I think I can speak 3 languages fluently, and French मुझे थोड़ा आता है. So if you want to add French, you can add French. What song do you listen when you feel sad? Currently, I'm listening Memba for Aisha from the movie The Sky Is Pink. I am obsessed with that song. जब भी मैं खुश रहती हूँ, I listen to that. जब भी मैं sad रहती हूँ, I listen to that. But ये current favorite है. अभी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा मेरे पिछले favorites क्या है, but this is my go-to right now. I'll link the song in the description box below if in case you're interested, you can check it out. Favorite festival? Ganpati. Ganpati is my favorite festival. I think I'm a very spiritual person and I believe in Ganpati strongly. So Ganpati is my favorite festival. We bring Ganpati at a place for 5 days. So yeah. What is your dream? Like any other human, I want to travel the world because I think traveling आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाता है and I really want to explore places and I really want to explore myself. So I think traveling is something I'm looking forward to do, and I want to build a very strong and positive community on social media. Yeah. How did you think of starting your own YouTube channel? So yeah, as I mentioned earlier also, I think I just wanted to create content and I still want to build a very strong and positive circle, like a positive community. So that was my thought process behind starting a YouTube channel, and I honestly feel it's 2020, every content creator should be on YouTube because Instagram का algorithm is just effed up and it is doing nothing good for creators. So starting a YouTube channel is the best decision that I took as a creator in my life because इसमें बहुत exposure है because after Google it is the second search engine. So आपका content YouTube push करता है. I'm very happy to call myself a YouTuber. I love YouTube and I'm very thankful that I have this platform to share my content. So yeah, thank you YouTube. What do you do when you face a creative block? आई थिंक मैंने अभी तक सिर्फ एक ही बार क्रिएटिव ब्लॉग फेस किया एंड दैट इज when I used to post fashion videos on my Instagram and मैं बीच में एकदम बंद कर दिया था मैंने I think for 2 weeks and उसके बाद I just thought for 1 second that it's done. I cannot put an outfit together. So that time मैंने बस मेरा ये कबर्ड खोला था मैं बैठ गई थी उसके सामने and I was just thinking like what how can this happen and जैसा I did that I think the blog जो मेरे दिमाग में था वो निकल गया था and मैंने फटाफट आउटफिट्स एक साथ गैदर करके I just filmed a video. So I think I just know where to find my creativity. I know अगर मैं मेरे कबर्ड के सामने बैठूंगी I know मुझे ideas फटाक से आ जाएंगे. So I don't think मैंने एक इतना बड़ा creative block face किया as such. And yeah guys, I think I take all the inspiration from things around me. So yeah, I don't think that वो कभी कम होगा. So right now I won't say that मैंने बहुत बड़ा creative block face किया है. This was the only थोड़ा सा creative block, वो भी मेरे दिमाग में था. I won't call it as a creative block. And if in case in future I hit a creative block, I'll make sure that I give myself a lot of time. अगर आपने मुझे देखा है on YouTube also, I take my time to post a video. If I don't feel like filming a video, I won't film a video. And इसलिए मैंने आपको dates भी नहीं देके रखे कि ये time पे मैं upload करूँगी because that really makes no sense to me because एक आप pressure में आ जाते हो और pressure में जो आप content create करते हो I don't think it is up to the mark. So I just want कि मैं एक ऐसे position में रहूँ that I am happily posting a video for you guys that ये idea I am 100% sure कि I love this idea and I'm going to put it. Be it वो काम करे on YouTube और नहीं करे, but if I am 100% sure about that idea, then only I'm going to make sure that I post a video on YouTube. If not, I'm going to take my time and it does not matter how long I take. I'll just take my time and be back. I think I have spoken a lot. I just can't help. I have to elaborate everything because I just can't answer the question in yes or no. So yeah guys, these were the questions that I had for you guys. But apart from this, if there is anything specific that you still want to know about me or जो मैंने इतना आंसर नहीं किया है, you can let me know in the comments box below. I will obviously answer it. And guys, let me know अगर आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा because I know मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बात किया है. And I really love doing such videos where I get to talk because I love talking clearly. I personally love watching chit chat videos. I personally love watching life update videos. So if you are someone just like me, let me know. I would really like to make such videos for you guys. And yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button, join the fam, and let's hit 10k fatafat. Please, okay? We need to build a positive community. That's my dream, you know, right? So please make it happen for me. Please make sure you hit the bell icon as well and like this video. Share it with one of your friends at least because it will mean the world to me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. And then live and let live. Take care. Bye bye.